I'm Toxic Mayhem, and this is the mid-muffler delete. What's up, YouTube? It's Toxic Mayhem. We're here at my work. I just clocked out. The missus just came up. We're going to get the car up on a lift and we're going to get this install underway. Alright, so we got the car up in the air. Here's our mid-mufflers and these are what we're deleting. So we'll start with the driver's side. You get our driver's side pipe out of our mid-muffler delete kit from Khaos Motorsports. So we'll get this pipe set up here. And that's about where it went to shit. So Khaos Motorsports was kind enough to send me their delete kit. Asked me to do a video, an instructional video. So things went sideways quick. We had the pipes up there and we spent some time back and forth this way and that and found what I thought was the best spot. It didn't look like the bends were quite dead on, but I thought I could make it work. So we went ahead and we made our cuts. And what happened, honey? You fucked up.
I fucked up.
She fucked up. It was all bad. I cut pipes in the wrong places. My delete kit didn't fit in the way it was supposed to. Now it's late at night. I don't know, huh?
Past my bedtime.
Past our bedtimes. And, so what do? I did what I always do, and I made it work. So there were no instructions with the kit. The whole basis behind it, the whole video was, I was supposed to make an instructional video, and Khaos Motorsports was going to put it on their website and their Facebook page, and that was going to serve as the instructions for this kit. And I went and bunged it right up.
No instructional video.
Yeah, no instructional video. But I gotta tell you, Khaos Motorsports was wicked cool about it. I reached out to them. I told them I messed up. I told them what happened. And, you know, they were real cool about it. They weren't mad about it. Hey, shit happens. Even though I fucked up, we got it in there, and it still sounds fucking sick.
Stop right now. Like, turn that video off. Like, not okay. Nope. Not having any part of that.
Here are some pictures of what the completed project's supposed to look like. Here's some before and after sound clips.
Khaos Motorsports. Go check them out.